Okay, good luck, Tamam. Go ahead.
Okay, thank you. Good afternoon, everyone. I'll be presenting my academic research that talks about Arab EFL learners' perceptions on the use of blogs for learning writing. So EFL learners needed to study and learn English writing and to be also motivated. So during the pandemic of COVID-19, the students' language skills were affected negatively, and especially their writing skill. Therefore, in this study, I aimed to integrate blogs in order to improve their skill in writing English by asking the following research question, which is, what is the perception of Arab EFL learners in high school about using blogs for learning writing? The study was a qualitative study that involved 6 Arab EFL participants from a high school in my village called Ferdis. And all of them were at the 10th grade, between 15 to 16 years old. And for the collecting data, the questionnaires were conducted, the pre-blogging and post-blogging questionnaire. The pre-blogging was conducted only to see the background information about blogs. And when analyzing the data, I categorized my data into categories depending on Miriam's step-by-step process analysis. So what really was done in this study is that the whole collecting data took 6 weeks. And the first week, the pre-blogging was divided or given to the students. And after that, when they submitted the questionnaire, they were divided into 2 groups and were instructed to create an account using blogger.com. We used this website because it was easy and free for students to use. After that, from the second blog to the 5th week, the teacher uploaded every week and or each week an assignment for discussion. The students had to read it and to discuss it, right? Like a short essay about 50 to 60 words approximately. And after they finished, they had to read the other group's writing and to reflect on them by leaving a comment for them. So that was done according to the assignment. And finally, in the 6th week, the post-blogging questionnaire was given to them in order to collect the perceptions and responses of the learners or students. So regard the findings, after analyzing the data according to the Miriam's step-by-step and categorizing them to categories, the results showed that all participants had a computer, yet most of them did not have a previous knowledge about blogs or using blogs, and even they didn't have a blog website or account. In addition, the results showed that learners have positive perception for the use of blogs, where they responded positively by saying that or describing that blogs are helpful, easy, and motivating. And these were collected by answering 5 questions in the post-blogging questionnaire. However, one participant responded negatively to the study by stating that he found the use of blog was complicated and he didn't notice a huge improvement or big improvement. So to conclude, the blogs were successful ICT tools that really students can benefit from its usage. Additionally, applying the practice theory to make them practice and adapting the collaborative theory really helps students to perceive improvement in their writing and being more motivated and engaged. So finally, I would recommend for conducting further studies by focusing on analyzing blogs as a practice for other language skills, not only writing, maybe such as reading, and to look into different motivations for using the blog in EFL class. And finally, to implement studies about practice theory, because I found difficulty and a lack of information about this topic. So thank you all for listening.